The Rockets have won this match. Well played, Cubs. I think it was a well fought match. A really good one. Request both the teams to come over. And also the Tigers and the Legends. अब ये बहुत ही जबरदस्त मैच होने वाला है. This match is between the Legends and the Tigers. Tigers 2 मैच हार चुके हैं. Legends 1 मैच हार चुके हैं. Legends ने टॉस जीता था. They opted to bat. 2 big players on the ground as batters for the Legends. Pushkar Popat and Ridansh Sankla. Captain Cool pumping up his team.
2 very strong teams on the field now. बहुत ही interesting match है on our hands, Sandeep.
And the man of the match, yes, completely. The player of the match. The man of the match, player of the match for the previous match was Krishank. Well done. For 2 wickets. Would request Preeti to hand over the trophy to Krishank.
Well done, well done. A very, very well deserved man of the match. And now
Ashman to Pushkar. पुष्कर का देखिए स्टांस जो लग रहा है वो ऐसे लग रहा है कि वो मारने के मूड में ही आए हैं.
Ashman.
Well placed single. टाइगर्स की एनर्जी कुछ अलग लग रही है इस मैच में. आई थिंक बच्चों ने अच्छा ट्रिक समझा दिया है सबको.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
सिंगल रन्स लो, कीप द स्ट्राइक रोटेटिंग. That was a 1D, so Ridansh comes back on strike. बहुत ही सयाने बॉलर है आशमन सूद. बैट्समैन को अच्छे से रीड कर ही गेंद फेंकते हैं.
And the proud Pushkar Popat is now on strike. Ashman.
The father has to live up to the good performance of his kids.
No pressure, Pushkar. बहुत ही beautiful bowling.
That was a no ball.
Lucky no ball. बहुत ही aggressive frame of mind में आए हैं पुष्कर क्रीज पे.
पर आशमन का मानना पड़ेगा नितिन, बहुत ही शानदार गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन किया उन्होंने. बैट्समैन को रीड करते हुए बॉल फेंक रहे हैं.
मेरे ख्याल
It is not that he's pre-decided what balls to bowl.
आशमन मेरे ख्याल से 2023 के 24
4 runs is a very good score. Is for the
bowling challenge.
For the
Bowling
Tigers.
challenge over. Pushkar back at the crease. And Anand, who's a very good bowler.
But Anand Raman अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते हुए।
You're right, संदीप, बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक लग रहे हैं the Tigers.
Oh, that's lovely bowling. It's only 8 runs at the 9 runs at the end of 2 overs. A result which the Tigers would be very happy with. Surprisingly, आनंद रमन ने बहुत अच्छी bowling करी.
Surprisingly? आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं संदीप? जरा खुल के बताएं संदीप, आप और अब देविका मैनिफेस्ट करने आई हैं।
Oh, that was a very good.
और ये बहुत ही बढ़िया फील्डिंग। Umpires have asked for a review, but that must have been very, very close in case they made it to the crease.
So that was a very good throw by
Very
Gaurav.
good fielding.
The energy on the field very evident. The umpire has called for the third umpire. So you're waiting for his
That's
decision.
out. It's been declared out.
Really unfortunate for the Legends because Sapna is a very good batter.
Excellent fielding.
Now the
देखिए लेडीज ओवर में पहली ही गेंद पे एक विकेट गिर चुका है।
now Dhruv Popat is on strike. Non-strikers end पे आए हैं Mr. Bharat Shetty, whose runner is Abhijit Majumdar, the owner of Legends, the co-owner of Legends. Well judged, well left, wide.
What beautiful fielding. अद्वैत जानते थे कि अगर ये बाउंड्री पे लग जाती तो शायद उनके हाथों से निकल जाती गेंद, इसलिए उन्होंने अपनी टांगों का इस्तेमाल करके
2D. Honestly speaking, for a female bowler to bowl to Dhruv is not easy.
Absolutely not, absolutely not.
Because Dhruv always looks to capitalize on such opportunities.
और आप देविका के कंपोजर को देख रहे हैं। That's a wide. आपने टेक्निक देखा ध्रुव का? All along the ground, beautifully played.
Oh, nicely struck by Mr. Bharat Shetty.
Devika keeping things tight.
Actually, a very good over by Devika so far. The Tigers won't mind the singles at all. Lovely over. So at the end of 3 overs, the score is 15.
Well bowled, Devika. You've manifested a good over. The diamonds are on the way.
Kirti to Dhruv.
Kirti bowling right arm over the wicket. That was a good ball. Tigers keeping things tight. और ये एक मौका था लेकिन गौरव थोड़ा चकमा।
फील्डिंग बढ़िया करी है इनमें।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और इस तरह की के शॉट को रोकना काफी डिफिकल्ट काम होता है एट द मिड ऑफ पोजीशन। गौरव ने एग्रेसिव थ्रो किया एक, लेकिन ओवर थ्रोज बचा पाए टाइगर्स।
कीर्ति बॉलिंग बहुत बढ़िया कर रही है नितिन।
बिल्कुल, बहुत ही टाइट। ये मानना पड़ेगा कि ladies overs are really quite a revelation in this tournament. The ladies have clearly, they've clearly prepared really hard and
they've practiced hard, put in a lot of hard work, a lot of hours.
हुल दे दिया SJ ने बैट्समैन को। जो कि डर के क्रीज में तने रहे। फिर से एक बार SJ बैटर्स को काफी डरा रहे हैं, बहुत अग्रेसिवली स्टंप्स की तरफ दौड़ते हैं। और ये बहुत ही सुंदर शॉट, सीधा छक्का लगाया है लॉन्ग ऑन और लॉन्ग ऑफ के प्लेयर्स के बीच में से निकालते हुए।
He's now got developed a habit of going for one big shot at least in the third and the fourth over.
बिल्कुल, what a shot by Dhruv. And the Tigers are back.
4 रन का चैलेंज लेते हुए in the batting over. Again, I think बहुत conservative खेल रहे हैं।
बहुत, अभी के
legends
at the moment.
At this stage of the match with so many wickets in hand, I think they should have gone for more runs.
Well, I think they have the wickets, so they can step it up now. A 6 and over would do the job for them. Here comes Pushkar. Pushkar को अब थोड़ा पुश करना पड़ेगा स्कोरबोर्ड को।
This is a free hit because there was a no ball.
No ball, free hit. फायदा उठा नहीं पाए पुष्कर इसका, केवल एक ही रन। देखिए बॉलिंग काफी टाइट है।
Challenge met. So at the end of 5 overs, the score for the Legends is
36 for the loss of 1 wicket.
I think given the batting lineup, Nitin, that Legends have, they really need to step it up now.
There's no question about it. Whether they have the lineup or not, it's time to step up.
Yeah.
And
there is Karthik, there is Dhruv.
36 for the loss of 1 wicket. 36 for the loss of 1 wicket. So yeah, they have no choice at this point, Sandeep, if they want to put up a competitive score. बहुत ही बढ़िया फील्डिंग, सुपर्ब रिफ्लेक्सेस डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड बाय गौरव, और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से बॉल को रोक के रन आउट कर दिया पुष्कर को। बहुत ही क्रूशियल विकेट।
So Captain Cool has managed to do 2 run-outs, the highest number in any match by a single person.
Gaurav Sood, Gaurav Bhasin.
देखते हैं कार्तिक क्या करते हैं। आद्विक टू कार्तिक।
आद्विक जो कि बहुत ही सदे हुए बॉलर हैं, लेकिन कार्तिक बहुत ही सदे हुए बैट्समैन।
Oh, that was a very good ball. Very well played.
What a contest, huh, Sandeep?
Truly exciting, and we are looking for it to get more exciting now.
Yes. With Karthik at the crease, this is the deception of the boundary banners. Very difficult to judge where the ball will bounce off and go to.
बहुत ही जोश, जिगर और जज्बे के साथ खेलते हैं कार्तिक।
उनकी शॉट्स में जो स्पीड आती है बॉल में, आई थिंक इट्स राइट ऑफ द बैट, इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू स्टॉप द बॉल.
सो 44 रन बना चुके हैं, 12 गेंदें बची हैं. आई थिंक 70 का तो टारगेट कम से कम रखना ही चाहिए लेजेंड्स को.
Well, their current run rate is just north of 7 an over. At that rate, we are looking at somewhere close to 60. But 70 would be a great score to have if they can actually get that.
They have the wickets in hand, Nitin, and
Surely.
they should go for it.
Surely, surely. It's now or never. Very clean hitter, Karthik.
Zabardast fielding by Ashman.
ये कहना पड़ेगा.
This is his second over.
And that's a beautiful
What
stroke.
a shot!
Beautiful
What a
stroke.
shot by Ridansh.
बहुत ही बढ़िया प्लेसमेंट था. There was
बढ़िया
no,
placement, no risk.
absolutely, absolutely beautiful shot.
High
Absolutely
gain.
flat. Oh, that's a lost opportunity, but well stopped by Ashman. At this point, it's important to stop the runs. Wickets will come.
बहुत ही जबरदस्त बॉलिंग हो रही है नितिन ये, बिकॉज एक गेंद बची है एंड सिर्फ एक ही बड़ा शॉट लगा है इस ओवर में.
जी, अभी तक इन्होंने केवल 5 रन बनाए हैं इस ओवर में, which is lower than their run rate for the innings so far.
Tiger would be really happy with the score that they are seeing
I
on
would
the
assume
board
so.
now.
और ये बहुत ही unfortunate bounce back from the nets. And here goes Ridansh.
So now we have the match with the
Vedant.
maximum number of runouts in RPL Season 8 with 3 runouts for the Legends. Over is done. Last 6 balls to go. 2 hard-hitting batsmen. 1 sharp bowler. Interesting cricketing contest on the cards.
This is going to be a cracker of an over. 49 for the loss of 3 wickets. It's the final over of the innings.
I think अब all out जाना पड़ेगा Legends को, नितिन.
No choice now, Sandeep. इस समय उनकी प्रायोरिटी विकेट प्रिजर्वेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. It has to be to get to the boundaries one way or another. And that's a completely cramped Dhruv.
Super bowling.
फिर रिपीट करने की कोशिश करी लेकिन ये वाइड हो गई है. ये ध्रुव ने मार दिया है ग्राउंड के बाहर. बट इट वॉज अ नो बॉल. थोड़ा किस्मत ने साथ दिया है. देखना यह है कि हाउ कैन दे कैपिटलाइज ऑन इट. बहुत कंफ्यूजन, लेकिन ध्रुव पहुंच चुके थे क्रीज में. But this is not going to cut it, Sandeep.
Yeah, but the energy that the Tigers have shown in this match is absolutely amazing.
There's no question about that.
Now
Yeah.
Captain Cool to Captain Josh.
Oh, what a shot, but what fielding by Ashman. That was an unbelievable fielding and run out.
The 4th run out of the match. The Tigers should really be proud of their
आप देख रहे
fielding
हैं
display in this match.
रहेजा का emerging talent. जिस इंटेंसिटी के साथ टाइगर्स फील्ड कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक दे मस्ट हैव सेव्ड एटलीस्ट 20 रन्स ऑन द फील्ड.
2 कप्तान, 1 बॉलर, 1 बैट्समैन.
और अब आशमन के हाथ में बॉल देखते ही बैट्समैन ही डर गए हैं.
लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द मैच.
बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रोक, बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रोक अभिजीत के द्वारा. छक्का लगा दिया है उन्होंने टू एंड द इनिंग्स. एंड जैसा कि सोचा था, स्कोर हैज द इनिंग्स हैड एंडेड एट. Sandeep, what is
A
this?
good score. Could have been better, but the runs still need to be made by the Tigers. So it is 61 runs, 62 to win. It's not going to be easy, but within reach.
Requesting the captains of Team Raheja Knight Riders and Raheja United to please come to the commentators box.
कैसे जज करेंगे आप इस मैच को नितिन?
I
If
think
you
it's
had
going
to
to
put money, whom would you bet on?
देखिए, I think it's a competitive score. It's not a write-off. And I think मैं जो पुष्कर की आंखों में कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि they have their strategy intact.
बट थोड़ी सी बॉडी लैंग्वेज लेजेंड्स की ऐसी लग रही है कि थोड़े से निराश लग रहे हैं वो. The shoulders are drooping a bit. Don't see
Let's
the
see.
same energy which the Tigers had on the field.
You're probably right. At the moment, it does look like the Tigers had a little more energy when they came out onto the field. But never write a good team off, and I think this is a good team. So,
I think the legends need to get their spirits up.
yes. Come on, let's get the crowd going behind the legends. Come on, guys.
The crowd is supporting the Tigers. This is a bowling
Bowling
challenge. Over.
Karthik to bowl the first over. Ashman on strike. And Anand on the non-striker end. Heavy spin के साथ गेंद फेंकी कार्तिक ने. And good fielding. ये शायद आपको याद होगा कि आशमन was the star player of 2024 for the entire tournament. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद.
That was a good one run. Not easy to play, Karthik.
कार्तिक फिंगर स्पिन कर रहे हैं काफी भारी. डिफिकल्ट टू जज की गेंद किस तरफ जाएगी.
No wonder, Nitin, you are never selected.
Sandeep, since you've given me the answer as if you are.
इसीलिए हम लोग कमेंटेटर्स बॉक्स में बैठे हैं नितिन.
देखो पब्लिक सब जानती है.
A good first over for the legends. I think 3 runs.
और बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच.
What a
ये
catch!
देखिए आप, क्या कोऑर्डिनेशन है.
What a catch!
एक ने बॉल को बाउंस किया और दूसरे ने चटक लिया.
Wow. So Suryodaya Bank sponsored RPL Season 8, the Bank of Smiles, brings a lot of smiles to the legends.
अब आप
Excellent
देखिए,
rebound catch.
अब इनका बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखिए संदीप आप.
Suddenly change हो गया.
हाँ. मैंने ये देखा है कि अभिजीत जो है ये काफी लाइफ लाते हैं फील्ड पर. His intensity is quite palpable.
Absolutely. अब काफी दारोमदार आनंद रमन के मजबूत कंधों पे.
ओ, ये बहुत ही क्लोज.
Umpire was there. No, it was a legal delivery.
What a beautiful ball. That ball spun almost 45 degrees. Do we have a Shane Warne amongst us? Pushkar Warne.
Pushkar, it's very difficult to decide whether Pushkar is a better batsman or a better bowler. I can hear Anaika saying that he's definitely not a better fielder as I am.
And now the ladies' overs. At the end of 2 overs, the score is just 6 for the loss of 1 wicket, which means that the Legends are on top at the moment. Would you say that, Sandeep?
Yeah. Sapna to Devika.
Devika. And that's a wide. That's a very good ball by Sapna Jain. बहुत ही beautiful bowling.
वाह.
और इसी के साथ देविका ने
पुष्कर और सपना ने मिलके शायद दूसरा कैच कोऑर्डिनेट किया है. ये
देखिए ये जोड़ी
in this
काफी
game.
ये जोड़ी
Right.
काफी भारी पड़ रही है
हाँ.
ऑपोजिशन पर.
बहुत ही मंजे हुए प्लेयर्स लग रहे हैं लेजेंड्स के. Bringing Hari to the crease.
पुष्कर
Hari is in a hurry.
गलत जगह पर
take a
बॉल
run.
ढूंढ रहे हैं. पुष्कर अभी भी बॉल ढूंढ रहे हैं. सपना जी सपना दिखा रही हैं और पुष्कर पुश कर रहे हैं और दोनों मिलके ऑपोजिशन पर काफी भारी पड़ रहे हैं. क्या
What
बात.
fielding. What
क्या बात.
fielding. That's a no ball. The height was above shoulder level.
That's
It's
a free
free
hit.
hit. Hari is going to max it out.
Let's see what Murray is able to make out of it. Very good shot, but equally good fielding on the boundary by Dhruv. और ये बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट रन आउट. बहुत ही ये हमने कितनी दफे होते हुए देखा है आज संदीप. Exactly the same script being repeated over and over again.
So I think the Tigers got a lot of benefit of it. There were 4 runouts in the innings of the Legends. I think they're getting paid back in the same coin.
Yeah, but what a bad, what an absolutely shameful way to go. It's it's really
I think
unfortunate.
it's the pressure
Very unfortunate. Yeah.
because the asking rate was just too high.
Yes, it's starting to look like that now.
At the non-strikers end, we have Kirti Nayak.
Another free hit.
That was a
That's
free
a-
hit, so
Beautiful over by Sappy.
I think it sapped all the energy from the opposition.
So you see,
The Tigers need to get their roar back.
and now it's Shruti.
How is the difficult part?
Abhijit advancing towards mid-on to support his wife and teammate Shruti. That's wide. Score is 12 for the loss of 3 wickets. Now 13. काफी risky run ले रहे हैं Tigers.
And
Easy
that's out. Very good work by Mr. Bharat Shetty behind the stumps. The ladies over is now over, bringing back Anand Raman and Swayam Jain to the crease. The asking rate unfortunately is very high. They've taken a score of 5 for the batting challenge.
14 for the 14 for the loss of 4.
I think 5
And
is
this
a
is a
very
batting
low
challenge
score
over.
which they've taken. Given the asking rate, they maybe should have gone the double of that.
Well, their current run rate is at 3 and over. A missed opportunity, but no run conceded.
Anand Raman has been building his muscles for decades. He now needs to display what he's built through strokes. Singles might not unfortunately do the job for them.
No, I think it's looking like a huge challenge at this stage unless we see a flurry of 6s and 4s from the Tigers. They're already 4 wickets down. And here goes another. Looking like an almost impossible task now.
The Legends seem to have outplayed the Tigers in this game. But let's see.
देखिए
It's
अभी भी
not over till it's over.
yes अभी भी Anand and now
Captain Gaurav Bhasin.
at the crease. लेकिन आप देख रहे हैं अभिजीत फील्डिंग पूरी जी जान से कर रहे हैं.
They can't afford to lose either of these players now, Nitin. Good running helps build confidence.
Okay. Yeah, they've completed the batting challenge. हो गए 5 हो गए 2 रन लिए अभी 5 5 रन हुए थे 5 हुए थे अरे यार मिस हो गया
The score at the end of
1 मिनट 5 रन
24 runs at the end of 5 overs.
for the loss of 5 wickets.
46 रनों की जरूरत 18 गेंदों में. सॉरी 43 रन्स की जरूरत 18 गेंदों में. It's not an impossible task, Nitin. But just
Impossible is
next to
nothing.
it- But just next to it, I would say.
Impossible is nothing.
43 to win.
43. No, 38 in 18 balls. 38 needed in 18 balls.
38 to win. 38
that's
because you
a-
know that 5 runs for the batting challenge has just been updated.
Just over 12 runs and over. ये अच्छी टैक्टिक थी गौरव की तरफ से.
कॉल जोरदार थी और जोर से थी.
बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, पर उससे भी बढ़िया फील्डिंग ध्रुव की तरफ से. बाप बेटे बाउंड्री को बिल्कुल आयरन
हैं.
बॉल की तरह घेरे हुए हैं. ये सोच के आए हैं कि अनायका से भी ज्यादा रन रोकेंगे हम. बहुत ही बढ़िया बॉलिंग और फील्डिंग कार्तिक की तरफ से.
Wow, 3 dot balls. What superb bowling
That might be the
by
match.
Karthik.
That might be the match.
Pretty much it, but Tigers, don't forget your Tigers.
Well, they need 35 runs in 12 balls. We need a Yuvraj performance over here.
कोई गल नहीं, पंजाबी मुंडा है अपना कैप्टन, हार नहीं मानदा. पर ये जो बंगाली मुंडे खड़े हैं ये थोड़े पंजाबी मुंडे में इस समय. बंगाली बाबू.
बाबू मोशाई. हाँ, ये लग रहा है ये टाइगर्स इनका होना चाहिए था नाम.
आई थिंक हमने लेजेंड्स की बॉडी लैंग्वेज को थोड़ा सा मिसरीड कर लिया नितिन. Even when they are happy and elated, they do not necessarily display it in the same manner as the others do.
I think they're a calm and composed team.
Can't be said about the captain though. He himself might not like it.
और ये
Oh, that was not a very intelligent shot,
Anand
but it
Raman
was
ने-
at least not surprising.
Anand Raman finally showed the power of his biceps, but unfortunately sent the ball into orbit instead of the boundary. So there you have it.
I think the legends outplayed Tigers very well in this match.
By a mile, by a mile.
And I would say the only department where the Tigers did well was fielding. 4 runouts was really good. But kudos to the to the legends
Yes.
for a well-deserved win. Good batting, good bowling.
A good match at the end of the day, and congratulations to the legends for a brilliant display of batting, bowling and fielding.
Yeah.